CS1113 Intro to Java, Lab 6.
This lab has three main objectives: to teach you how to create arrays and iterate through them, to teach you about array indexing and how to find neighboring array elements, and to help you understand object references and how Java arrays work with them. Creating arrays. Arrays are a data structure that allow a programmer to reference multiple data items through the same variable name using an index to specify which one. Arrays in Java are declared using square brackets after the variable name. To declare an array of ints called myInts, you would write int square brackets myInts. How would you declare an array of doubles called mydoubles? Arrays can be initialized in one of two ways. In one method, the array elements are placed in a list and closed in curly braces after the array name definition. For example, the code below creates an array of ints with three elements, 1, 2, and 3. We can also initialize an array with a new construct, indicating how many elements we want with a number inside square brackets. When this type of initialization is used, the values of the array are initialized to 0 for numeric types and null for object types. What values would the elements of the following arrays have initially? The elements of Q would start out as 0, and the elements of S would start out as null. Iterating through arrays. Like strings, arrays in Java use zero-based indexing. You can also get how many elements are in an array by using the .length property. To get the length of S, you would write s.length. Note that this is not a method, so you don't need to use parentheses. How would you write a for loop to add 1 to all of the elements of an array called X? Neighboring elements. If we line up all the elements of an array from left to right, each element except the beginning and end has two neighbors. How would you write the left and right neighbors of element x sub I? We can find the left neighbor by subtracting 1 from the index of the element we're looking at, and we can find the right neighbor by adding 1 to the index.